Let's look at the seventh way of visualizing data in NVivo, which is through the use of concept maps. I'm on codes and I develop these major themes including ethnicity, self-perception, and other people's perception. If we click on explore and go to maps and go to concept map, I just want to represent the connection between the different themes using a concept map, right? Like, are they connected or how are they connected, right? So I can use this, which we call a concept map. For example, I can start with a circle and type in ethnicity in there. That's one of my major themes, ethnicity, right? Then I want to show how this theme is related to the other themes, or I want to draw a kind of a thematic map, right? So I can come up with another shape to show a different theme, which is other people's perception, and let's place it there. And then I can come up with another shape, which is like an oval shape, showing a different theme or a different major theme, which is self-perception, right? And then I can use these tools. We can see I have a pointer, connector, and we can add other project items. I want to use a connector to show like a connection between these three themes. So ethnicity, a person can be of a certain ethnicity and they will have a self-perception, a way that they perceive themselves, which is self-perception, and a way that other people view them, which is other people's perception. So that's just an example of how you can use NVivo to show the link or the relationship between different ideas or different themes, and even to develop thematic maps in NVivo 14. Another way to visualize your data in NVivo is to use comparison diagrams to compare code. Now, if